What is up, you guys? So welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my first video on my YouTube channel. Pretty much what I wanted to get across on this channel was pretty much a better understanding of what windshield repair is, and just provide some value on starting a windshield repair business, and kind of give out some help on this industry in general. I know when I first started, I wanted some help on knowing what to do in my windshield repair business. When I first started out, I wanted some guidance on how to actually build a windshield repair business, because it's not a business that people talk about really. Nobody really knows about windshield repair, and I wanted to kind of provide that value and just kind of give you that outlet that you need for a better understanding of what windshield repair is. So other than that, let's get into it, because otherwise I'm just going to keep on talking. So pretty much what I wanted to get across in this video was things to consider when you're first starting out and you're first starting a windshield repair business. One of the main things I considered was I didn't want to start something that was just a trend. And what I mean by that is, I'm sure you've seen some businesses come and go pretty much just because it's kind of what's sexy at the moment. You're probably able to make money at the moment doing whatever you're doing in this business, but a year down the road, it's probably going to become obsolete, and it's something that it isn't so popular as it was a year prior. So I wanted to get into something that was going to be around for a long time. And with windshield repair, what I found was cars have been on the road for a very long time. They have been getting rock chips for a very long time, and cars are going to get these rock chips, and they're going to need somebody to repair them. Reason being is because if you repair a rock chip, you don't have that chance of the rock chip cracking out anymore. So that's the whole point of repairing a rock chip, is because you don't want that chip to crack out. You don't want it to turn into a crack to where you have to replace the whole windshield. It's more or less a cost-effective way of repairing that ugly rock chip, and in turn, it makes it look a lot better. So not only does it save pretty much the structural integrity of that windshield, and it prevents that rock chip from cracking out, but it also makes that rock chip look a lot better. I'll get into that a little bit later into another video, but essentially, yeah, that's kind of what it is. And so I really wanted something to get into that was going to be around for a long time. Windshield repair has been around for a long time, and it's going to continue to be around for a long time as long as cars are on the road and people are driving. If people are driving and cars are on the road, people are bound to get rock chips. It's just going to happen. So they need somebody that is going to be there to repair them, and that's what windshield repair is. That's what we're in business for, to fix that problem. So that definitely checked off the box in that category. And then the next thing I really wanted to get into was, when I first started out, I didn't have much money to invest into a business. I didn't necessarily want to invest a lot of money into a business because I wasn't sure if it was going to work out for me or not. So with windshield repair, it wasn't very much to invest initially. It has very low overhead. You don't necessarily need a shop or anything like that to actually work and to actually start your business. You can do this mobile. Again, I'll get into in another video, but you really don't need very much money to start out. All you really need to buy is the tools, the materials that you're going to be using, which are both very cheap, a little bit of softwares, and that's pretty much it. So like I said, it's a very low startup cost for this business, and that's what I wanted when I first started and actually got into this business. So very low startup cost, one of the many perks of windshield repair. And the other one is it's easy to do. Windshield repair really isn't that hard. It does take a little bit of practicing, and there's a little bit of a learning curve, but essentially windshield repair is very easy to do. And the business aspect of it is very easy to do as well. Again, it has a little bit of a learning curve, like anything new. Anything that you're going to start, you're going to have a little bit of a learning curve, but both of them are very easy. It's easy to do, and it's very easy to start a business doing this. I like to consider this business model more or less an entry-level business model. So if you haven't been in business before, or you've never started a business, this is a very good business to start, because the expenses are very low. And it's really not that hard to get it up and going and start actually making money doing it. So with that said, it's more or less an easy side hustle to do. So you can do this on the side. You don't necessarily have to do this all the time. It works out really, really well just on the weekends or just on the days that you're off. That's how I started. When I first started, I had a day job. And so I would do that, and then on my days off, I would pretty much schedule all my appointments for my days off. So I've been making money on my days off. And the transition from going, you know, from the side hustle to full-time was very, very easy because I was able to do it on the side. That's what I really loved about it, was that I was able to do it on the side, and now I'm doing it full-time. So the last point that I wanted to hit was that it's very worthwhile money. Profit margins are very, very good. I charge about $60 to do a repair, and it costs me about $1 to do that repair. So my profit margins are about more or less 59 bucks. So, you know, when I was looking into a business, I definitely wanted to make very good profits because I wanted it to be worthwhile. I wanted to, you know, make very good money doing this because I initially, when I first started, I wanted this to be my next career path. And I wanted to make the leap from my day job to this. So I definitely wanted something that I was going to make pretty good money. And obviously, who doesn't want to make good money? The money and the profit margins are very, very good. So that's pretty much it for this video, at least. I'm going to be putting out more content about windshield repair, and I hope it's going to help you guys. If you are interested in learning windshield repair and learning, more importantly, how to start the business of windshield repair, I do have a free training. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video, so go ahead and check that out. It's completely free training. You'll get a better understanding of what windshield repair is and how to pretty much start a business doing it. So go check that out. And that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.